Hey guys, just a super quick video unboxing and taking a quick look at the Kings of Nowhere graphic novel. Well, I say unboxing, but the box isn't on it, so unwrapping, let's call it. So this was actually a gift from my brother and sister for my birthday, and I don't actually know too much about the book or the story itself yet. I think the artist that has created this is known as, I think it's pronounced Koteri Ink. Apologies to him if I'm getting that wrong. But my brother actually introduced me to this guy's Instagram page, and he's a really good artist, and he's got a really nice style that we both really liked. I especially was drawn to this guy's sketches and his biro pen work. He's really good, so I'm looking forward to reading this graphic novel. And this book was done through a Kickstarter campaign, so I just quickly watched the video before recording this, and the artist describes the book as an action, crime and adventure graphic novel, and about people who go through trauma when they're young and basically become, do you call it anthropomorphic, I think? So like part animal or part beast. Generally, I've never been too bothered about anthropomorphic artwork or characters, let's say, but this guy seems really good at drawing them, and yeah, he makes them look awesome. And I'm not going to show too many pages of this, especially the back half of it, because obviously no one wants any spoilers, and I don't want any spoilers because I've not read it yet either. But I just wanted to take a quick look to see how he's coloured these. And one thing that stands out straight away to me is the quality of this book seems really good in terms of how well it's made, and also the ink quality on the paper. The colours are so vibrant, I didn't know you could print inks as strong as that. So that's cool. But yeah, hopefully Koteri Ink does not mind me previewing these pages on camera. But the book looks awesome and I cannot wait to read it properly. So definitely check out this guy's work. I'll put a link in the description box below to his website and his social media. At the time of posting this, I just checked and his book is actually sold out at the moment, but I'll still add the link in there for when he restocks. Also, I had a quick look on his YouTube channel and he actually has a really short animation of this, and it's pretty damn cool. Definitely worth taking a look. So that's it guys, I just wanted to preview a few pages. A shout out to the artist Koteri Ink. Again, hopefully I'm not pronouncing that wrong. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment below. Let me know what future videos you guys want to see. And be sure to hit the subscribe button for more content. Thanks for watching.